what a thing yesterday with the container that wash on the shore, almost on the shore, close to the shore. And the people them from all walks of life, Jamaican, ask if they not start raid the container with the chicken. Them not know which part it a come from. They not know if it's consumable. All them know them a run with the chicken, and me sure know them a gonna yam it. Me positive sure them a gonna yam it. When I take a look of one person who had the chicken in her hand, man, I lie, the chicken look clean and pretty. All them say, the government say, them not supposed to eat it. But you know Jamaican, them not follow no government, because a hungry man is a hungry man. So you see, yesterday somebody's Sunday dinner was nice with the fowl. And poor thing, I see one man run out there, And when him look, seem like the container drift back out. Nobody know where this chicken come from. Them no know say if a man a drop from sky or where the container come from. All them know. So them a go fry chicken. Who na fry a go brown stew chicken. Who na brown stew a go curry chicken. Who na curry chicken a go jerk chicken. So chicken a go be in all style. Form and fashion. Because when them don't dress, that the best dress. When me see there. And the chicken them in a bag too, When them don't dress that the chicken there. You ever see when fowl truck break down a road and Jamaican start jump on that the truck there and start to take off chicken? Them no play. When it come to truck breakdown, them no play for loot. Because them a make sure help themselves. People from all walks of life come to grab chicken. But I pray that it don't do anything to your body. Because you don't know where it come from. Who make you decide to eat it? I'm out.